Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create Instagram story highlight covers. If you are using Instagram and you want to create covers for your Instagram story highlights, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just go to your profile option in the bottom right, and here you'll get all of your highlights or story highlights which you have. So let's say I'm gonna create a new highlight cover for this one. So you just have to go back and you need a third-party app, so you just have to go to App Store or Play Store and just install your story art app. So I have already installed, so I'm going to open my app here. Just tap on open and the app will be open in your phone. Now here story art would like to send you notifications, so you must have to allow, and here just go to next, then tap on next again, then tap on continue, and your app will be ready now. Now from here, if you want to get pro versions, you can get that. I'm gonna cross them or skip that. So now from here, you just have to go to collections, and here just scroll this through, find highlighters. So highlight, you must have to select highlight from here, and you'll get different colors. So or your different colors here. So you just have to select which one you want to. Let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. Let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. So once you have selected, you just have to wait for it until it's download. So once it's has been download, you can do different edits from here. You can also change color, or you can also add stickers or text to this one. Once you have done, just tap on this download option and it will be downloaded. Just tap on this allow full access, and here just select on which you want to save. Let's say I'm gonna select album from here, and it will be saved to my albums. So once you have saved your cover, you just have to simply go back, open your Instagram app, go to profile option, tap on your highlight, and here just select three dots, and you just have to select edit highlight from here, and you just have to select edit cover option. So now you just have to add the cover. So I have saved my cover into my albums. Here's the albums option, just select that, and here just select the cover which you want. Let's say I'm gonna select this one. Just tap on the done option in the top right, and your cover will be saved. Now tap on done option again, and it will be saved to your profile. Just tap on done again to save it to your highlight. So in this way, you can easily add Instagram story highlights cover. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.